Hi, good day everyone, and today we're going to be dealing with factorization, trinomial factorization, right? So for a trinomial, this is a standard form of a trinomial, right? And you can see that it's ax squared plus bx plus c, right? Recognize the square by the x. That usually indicates to you that that is a trinomial, right? So let's try an example. Let's say if we have ax squared plus 6x plus c, and we want to factorize this trinomial, right? What we can do is break down the factors over here, right? So let's break down the factors of the a term, and we can see that that is the a term, right? The one with the square in the front, right? And the factors of the a term is just x times x, right? X times x gives us x squared, right? And we have to break down the factors of the c term, right? Let me just click that. It's the factors of the c term, right? And the factors of 9 is 9 times 1 and 3 times 3, right? So in order to break down the factors of the a term and the c term, that's exactly what we have, right? So we have to try different combinations. It's either we're going to place these two in brackets, or we're going to place these two in brackets, right? And let's see which one works. Okay, so we tried doing x times x, right? X and x, and 3 times 3, right? In brackets. And we can multiply everything out again. So we get x times x gives us x squared, x times 3 gives us 3x, 3x times gives us 3x, and 3 times 3 gives us 9, right? And if we multiply out everything, we get the original factors. So that is to show that these are the factors, right? So just remember, when going about factorization, we want to find the factors of the a term and the factors of the c term, right? The a term and the c term, which is usually in the front and the end, right? And I just wanted to point out that there's usually 4 types of factorization, right? If there's 2 plus signs between the trinomial, then inside the brackets are going to be 2 plus signs, right? If there's a minus sign in front and a plus sign at the back, the brackets are going to have 2 minus signs inside of them, right? If there's a plus sign in the front and a minus sign at the back, there can be a plus side and a minus side inside this brackets, right? And if there's a minus sign and a minus sign, then it's a plus and a minus sign in the brackets, right? So these are the 4 different types of factorization for trinomials. Okay, so that's it, and enjoy the rest of your day.